I absolutely love teaching. I just don't love all the extra stuff that comes with it. Catching up on endless paperwork, preparing science lessons for the day, all while dealing with the chaos of small people and big people.
Optimal learning temperature, 68 degrees. Remember?
B+. You couldn't just make it an A?
I have a lot on my plate, all the time.
That's why I love Generation Genius. Morning, kids. Generation Genius is a science teaching resource for grades K through 8 that saves me time and helps inspire my students. Instead of scouring the internet for educational videos or making up activities and quizzes to go along with them, I just use Generation Genius to show high-quality, standards-based science videos that my students love. They're already paired with discussion questions, vocabulary, reading materials, DIY activities, lesson plans, quizzes, and exit tickets.
This is awesome. It's like magic.
Actually, it's science, and it's caused by the magnetic field that extends around the object. Duh.
Right. I knew that.
I signed up for a free trial at generationgenius.com and my students loved it. As a matter of fact, it's the only thing they begged for. Well, besides recess. And no homework.
Can I access these lessons at home? For the students? Obviously.
Yeah, I can use it in the classroom and share it with students learning remotely with just one click. It's all produced in partnership with the National Science Teaching Association, so you know it's legit.
It's legit.
If you're looking to engage your students in science all while saving you time, sign up for a free trial at generationgenius.com. You might find your students are more inspired by science than ever.
Miss Marshall, I want to be a scientist when I grow up.
Well, some of them anyway. Sign up for a free trial at generationgenius.com.